Hello children, welcome back. So we are going to make our very own magic potions. So we're all really excited, aren't we, Douglas? So just like Douglas found in his granddad's loft, all of those lovely potions and spells, we are going to recreate that. So you need to work together with your grown-up. So all you're going to need is like an old jar and just make sure it's all cleaned out. I've got a jug of water. I've got some food colouring, so you might have some different food colourings in your house, but you will need your grown-up to help you with this. And I've got lots of different coloured glitters. So I've got some green, some red and some purple. So you might have a little craft box with some different things that are sparkly that you could put in. So whatever you've got at home. Or you could just get some foil and you could pick some little bits off and put it in to mix it all up together. So remember, this is just to play with. So, and we're going to seal the jar tight afterwards. And then we are going to say our magic spell to make the flying spell come true. So it's really, really exciting. So all you need to do first is open your jar and then we're going to pour the water in. So pour it nearly to the top, but not quite, so you've got a little bit of a gap. So I just measured how much water I would need. I'm going to pour that in there, so you can see. And then I'm going to put a few drops of food colouring. Now I've got orange, so whatever you've got in your cupboards from your cooking, you might have reds or blue or green, you might have lots of yellow. You choose what you would like. So just put a few drops in there. Ooh, look at that. I love how it all mixes. Can you see how the colours are going in? Ooh, and it creates like little blobs in there. So I'm going to put a little bit more in actually, make it quite orange. And then just be really careful. Ask your grown-up to help you to put the top back on because it can spill. And it does stain as well, so just be really careful. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle some glitter in. So I've got some purple first. Oh, this is looking nice. I can't wait to shake it up in a minute. And then I'm going to put some red in as well. I'll show you. So that's going in too. I do love red, so I'm going to put a bit more of that one in. And some green as well. Let's pop that in there as well. Oh, this is going to look amazing. Are you ready now, children? So then all you need to do, so whatever sparkly bits you've got, pop them in your jar. And then you just need to secure the top on really tight. So get your grown-up to help you with that. And then just make sure it's on tight because I'm going to give it a shake. I don't want it to go everywhere. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Wow, this is amazing. Now have a look at that. Wow, it is beautiful and orange and sparkly. You can see all of the glitter moving around. It's actually sticking to the bottom, so you can give it a good shake. And then you can see all the glitter moving around in the jar like that. I love it. It's really magical, isn't it? So that's your very own magic potion that you've created there. And you need some magic words to go with your potion too. Okay, so remember, we're not taking it out of the jar. We're keeping it in there because we're keeping it safe. And then all you need to do is to say the magic word. So I have written a little spell for Douglas's magic flying spell. Here we go. Feather from an owl, the shell of an egg, a sprinkle of magic from the curlew bird's leg. A robin, a parrot, a blackbird's feather too, chop them and mix them into a stew. A pinch of salt and a dusting of pepper, chop up more eggshell and stir them together. Breathe in deeply and give it a smell. You now have created a magic flying spell. So that's my spell of Douglas and his flying trousers, and I've created my very own potion. So I wonder what potions you will create and what spells you can come up with your grown-ups. I cannot wait to hear all of your wonderful ideas, children. It has been such a pleasure to share this with you today. Goodbye.